This unique shipping container home in Florida is constructed using 5 used shipping containers with a courtyard layout. It offers 1,600 square feet of habitable space with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and open plan living. A Chicago brick sidewalk leads you to the cypress wood entrance porch. Upon entering the home, the floor plan is an open concept design. The interior is spacious, light, and airy with gorgeous vaulted cypress, tongue and groove ceilings, plenty of large, high-efficiency Pella windows, sliding glass doors, and cement flooring. The lounge features comfortable couches overlooking the outdoors, a custom coffee table, and pieces of art accessories mounted on the wall to add a pop of color. The light-filled kitchen features Brazilian Lapidus granite countertops and a large island with seating. The stunning blue Portuguese kitchen backsplash tile, the stainless steel LG appliances, the stainless steel undermount sink, and abundance of beautiful cabinetry make the kitchen to stand out. Highlighted with a beautiful light fixture is the dining area. The dining space features a custom dining table with chairs that can sit 6 overlooking the outdoors. From the kitchen is a laundry closet fitted with a washer and dryer. Adjoining the laundry closet is the first bathroom. The bathroom features a shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity, and storage. Next to the bathroom is the first bedroom. It features a comfortable single bed and 2 good-sized windows for adequate ventilation. Past the first bedroom is the second bedroom that features a cozy double bed, windows for daylighting, and a storage closet. Opposite the second bedroom is the master suite. It has a comfortable bed, clear story windows, and sliding glass doors that open to the courtyard. It is joined by an ensuite bathroom that includes dual sinks, granite countertops, a walk-in shower, and a private water closet. The home is equipped with 4 mini-split air conditioning heating systems. The roof is coated with a super therm material with an R value of 19. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible on the selected areas on the inside, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. The interior is painted in light colors to make the spaces appear bigger and brighter, eliminating that claustrophobic feel associated with shipping container spaces. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, emphasizing the industrial design of the house. The house is covered with an additional roof elevated above the shipping containers to shield it from the elements and to also keep the interior spaces cooler during summer. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.